Hi there, and welcome back. Thanks for joining me. What we're going to do in this video is find the antiderivative using the rules that we know so far. It's the antiderivative of 2x minus 8 over x with respect to x. So the first thing to notice is that we do have a subtraction inside of the integral sign there, which means we can separate these into two separate integrals, like so. And then because we have constant multiples in each of these integrals, we can remove the constant, or I should say move it to the outside. So this is 2 times the antiderivative of x minus 8 times the antiderivative of 1 over x. So by the power rule, now remember, x is really x to the first. To utilize the power rule, which is this property right here, we have 2 times, we go up to the next power, which is x squared, and divide by the new power, and then minus 8 times, now the antiderivative of 1 over x. The power rule does not work on that one, because that's really an x to the negative 1, which would mean x to the 0 over 0. That's not good news. But remember, the antiderivative of 1 over x is your natural log function, and it's the natural log of the absolute value of x. And we put the plus c on the very end. We don't put a plus c for each antiderivative we did because, you'd have like a c1 and a c2, and having two constants put together, we can just write that as one constant. So simplifying here, the 2's are going to cancel, and we have x squared minus 8 natural log absolute value x plus c, and that is the antiderivative of our function.